In front of me is Alcatel One X from 2019, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So, as you can hear currently, it is active. I don't know if you can hear it clearly because it's super soft. I will just try to show you right here. Just listen. We've got this soft sound right here, and if you'd like to switch it off, just open sound, go a bit lower, and here turn off touch sounds, and now it will be muted. And then whenever you would like to activate it again, just go to the same other sounds and vibrations panel and click on touch sounds, and now it will be active again. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.